Hello and welcome to this additional and bonus lecture on agile leadership in this course on leadership excellence. So in this section, we will keep telling you about how can you learn more about ways and strategies for excellence in leadership to become a good to great leader. And we are beginning that by talking about how can you adopt agile leadership principles for such an excellence. So, how do you think you can adopt agile leadership principles? How can you become an agile leader? See, adopting these agile leadership principles can definitely contribute significantly for achieving excellence in leadership and transforming from being a good leader to a great one. Now, what do the agile leadership mean? Agile leadership emphasizes adaptability, collaboration, teamwork, and a focusing on delivering value to customers. Now, how can you do that? Let's take a few steps that you can consider to adopt agile leadership principles. Now, first is to understand the agile principles if you were to apply them, right? So, familiarize yourself with the core principles of agile methodologies. And I have for you things like Agile Manifesto and 12 Agile Principles laid out. I'm not going to read this out. I'd like you to come back and read. If you have any questions, you can always message me. And and once you read them, understand these principles and understand how these can be applied to leadership. Then you need to promote a culture of continuous learning. And how can you do that? Encourage a culture of continuous learning and improvement within your team. Embrace a mindset that views mistakes as learning opportunities and values experimentation. So, if you do that, you'll be promoting a culture of continuous learning as a leader. Then be adaptive and flexible. That's a very big part of agile leadership. So embrace adaptability and flexibility in your leadership approach. Be open to changing strategies because leaderships have the responsibility of keeping the right strategy. So be open to changing strategy based on feedback and evolving circumstances. As the circumstances change, as you get feedback on your strategy, be open to changing your strategy. Encourage collaborative decision making as you see here. Come back and take a look at this slide once again in the PDF file. Foster a collaborative decision making environment. Involve team members in decision making process and encourage open communication. Empower and trust your team. Empower your team members by providing autonomy and trusting them to make decisions. Create an environment where individuals in your team feel empowered to take ownership of their work, and that will make you a more agile leader. Prioritize customer value because that's the ultimate truth, ultimate thing that you need, that is the reason for existence of you and your team. Focus on delivering value to customers, understand the needs of your customers, and align your team's effort with delivering solutions that meet or exceeds these needs. Implement agile practices that we talked about. So introduce agile practices such as Scrum and Kanban to your team. These methodologies provide frameworks for iterative and incremental development, and what that is, we will see shortly. And that will enhance team collaboration and delivery. Take a look at this slide again in the PDF file, and if you have any questions, do feel free to message me. Emphasize incremental progress, as we were saying here. Break down larger goals into smaller management tasks and emphasize incremental progresses and celebrate achievements along this way. And this will foster a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Facilitate cross-functional teams, create cross-functional teams that bring together individuals with diverse skills and expertise, and this will enable more efficient collaboration and problem solving. So, by incorporating these agile leadership principles, you can create a dynamic and responsive leadership style that enhances team collaboration, accelerates delivery, and drives continuous improvement. Remember that agile leadership is an ongoing journey, like everything in life. It's a journey of learning and adaptation. Regularly assess and refine your approach based on the evolving needs of your team and organization. So, thank you so much for watching this new and additional lecture and a bonus lecture on agile leadership in this course on leadership excellence. I hope you continue to learn new things, continue to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again somewhere in this universe. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions that I can answer for you. I'll be happy to answer them, and also download the PDF file and take a look at some of the slides that I referred you back when I was talking to you.